Hello everyone. Hello folks. How you doing? How's the Global Hack Week going? You working on some great projects, meeting some new people. Let me just share with you the checking link for the people who missed the message on Discord. Just it's a reminder. There you go. So yeah, let's go with day 3. Zane will be joining later. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, welcome to the day 3 of Data Week. As you know, this is the Data Week of the Global Hack Week. As the name suggests, it's basically all about data. There's a bunch of great streams on the next days, and for the last 3 days, you had some amazing streams. You played with a bunch of coaches in mini games. So hoping you're having fun. And yeah, Um, let's go with the presentation of the emulators. So as I said, Zane probably will be joining later. So we'll be waiting to see him, and he will present himself later. And then you have me, Nelfo. I'm a coach at the MLH since January 2023. And yeah, fun fact, basically, I have it's a customized chatbot that I made. Basically, I can send like comments and messages, and I can know like train schedules. I have some because there's some stations that sometimes I take the train, sometimes the bus, depending on the schedule. And I just when I arrive to the station, I just send like um, slash trends like transportation, and it gives me like the best choice. Yeah, it's some silly things, and it does some really, I don't know, it gives me like some offers on flights to go to see my family here in Spain and Mallorca, the island. So yeah, that's the fun fact. So let's talk about yesterday. What happened yesterday? What streams you went through. Just a reminder, if you missed any stream, yesterday's stream, you can just go to YouTube, to the channel. Let me share with you the YouTube channel just in case. Because if you go to the channel and go to the videos, probably you won't see the streams because you need to go to live. So it's basically this is like I will just send you the direct link to all the streams, saved streams, because some of them on Twitch that I've seen that they don't get saved, all of them. But yeah, YouTube, there will be 100% win rate for you to find the streams. So yeah, don't go to the video section on the channel. Well, you can go to check videos that uploaded videos, but if you want to watch the streams, you need to go to streams. Well, in Spanish, it's directo. But yeah, streams or live or whatever. It's the fourth option on the tab. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Um, yeah, let's talk about yesterday. You created data visualizations. As you know, we need to use the data to interpret interpretate that data, and you cannot do that without visualizations. You can do that in a terminal, but a lot of times it will be confusing. So yeah, hope you had fun. As you can see here, some great graphs and illustrations. That's pretty cool to see the data. Okay, thank you for the folks sharing the good work. Great to see. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's talk about today. What's happening today? You have the link, global GHW that emulates.io/schedule. You can find all the schedules, but let's go through each one of them. So we have basic data acquisition with Arduino with Zane. So if you're interested in Arduino, you want to learn more about it, or data acquisition probably will be something related to getting data. So really cool if you're working on some data project or just want to learn and hang out, take note. It'll be at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So depending on where you're from, just convert the time zone and it will be cool. Okay, let's go with David with another great stream, creating your first vectorial database with Weaviate. So probably I'll check this one myself because I don't know what Weaviate is. I don't know if it's a library, a program, and or a database or whatever. So I'll be checking this one myself. So it'll be at 9 p.m. Eastern time, and yeah, there you have a small description hack with Weaviate. It's okay. It's an open source AI native vector database. That sounds pretty cool. That sounds pretty cool. Great job. Thanks, David, and hope you find it interesting. And there you go. You have the third part of data visualization using different tools. Actually, I watched one of the two parts. It was pretty cool. I learned a lot with Readby. So yeah, feel free to check the schedules again in the website. Let me just share with you the links so you don't get lost. Oop. Um, okay, there you go. Just let me share the. Okay, here you can find all. You can just pin that website and don't forget it. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Ridvi, for your time and all the folks for joining Ridvi. So it will be at 6 a.m. ET. And then we have the first part of Gabriella's workshop, building a CRUD app with Python and SQL. Pretty cool. And I assume there's more parts. So yeah, make sure to check them. If you miss some Ridvi parts, like the first one or the second one, and you want to watch the third one, again, just check the YouTube channel, check the streams, and yeah, uh, be updated or introduced before the third part. Maybe it will be easier for you to catch on some stuff if you are, you know, don't have that many experience with the terms. So yeah, thank you so much. It will be at 9 a.m. ET. And there you go. Just to to leave the stress a little bit and to have some fun, you can join Zane uh, Space Team mini event. So it will be at 11 a.m. ET. So probably I assume it will be on the Discord channel, the mini events channel. So check that out. Don't miss that. Yeah, just waiting for it. And then we will have, as always, the Today in Global Hack Week to get you updated with what's going on, what happened, everything's okay. So it will you can join Gabriella and Vinayak. It will be at as always at 12 p.m. ET. So depending on your region, just set up the timer and let's go. Yeah, that's it. And well, that's it. There's a bunch of things. It seems that there's not that much things, but yeah, there's a lot of great workshops that you can join and learn from. So great opportunity to meet people. So let's go with some questions here. I can see Arman. At the end of the event, does the person with the most points win something, or the person with the coolest project? Um, just let me see. Probably there's some swag you can earn. So probably you can find some information on, let me, um, let's go with challenges. So yeah, I recommend you to check this website with some information. I'm not updated exactly with the rewards related to the points, and yeah, um, John. Okay, just let me see a couple of things. Hmm. So yeah, you get some swag by earning the points, by checking onto the different events. Well, the workshops. So yeah, probably you can check that out. All the information you can find it on the website. So yeah, any more questions? Any question about any workshop? Anything you missed? So we have when did you join MLH? Were you a fellow? I joined MLH. I think it was late December 2022, early January 2023. And nope, I was not a fellow. Um, yeah, I just um, applied. I was a really an MLH fan. Um, I were on a bunch of uh, MLH hackathons, and I had a really great time. That's why I decided to join. Okay, mm, cool. Yeah. Any question? Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Just where are you studying? Arman and Katia and everyone who's here. Are you still in college? So I've received some in another stream, someone asking about how to join the MLH. I just recommend you to visit the MLH website, go to the careers section, and see if something fits you. And if so, just apply and hope the best. So that's the tip I suggest and I apply to myself. So yeah, I'm studying in Vancouver at UBC. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm a graduate. Okay, pretty cool. Studying in college in India. Which part of India? Just curious. Recent graduate. Okay. Mm, so we can see here, Canada, um, Karnataka, Manipal. Okay, let me just Google that. Um, I never heard of it. Oh, okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. More in the southwest. Well, in the, yeah. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty big country, huh? Yeah, pretty big, pretty big. I am just getting into modal text editors. Does anyone still use tools like Vim and Emacs? Well, actually, my boss uses Vim, and fun fact, he doesn't use the mouse. We use like the ThinkPad X1, CAD one, yeah, well, ThinkPad X1. Do you know like the ThinkPads have this cursor, like the red thing, the red cursor in the middle of the keyboard, like really old-fashioned mouse, and he uses that. So he's just like uses he uses the uses the keyboard, and that tiny red dot ThinkPad red dot. It doesn't have a mouse. I don't understand. So yeah, he uses BIM. Um, they make me feel like a hacker, but they are also so hard to use. Yeah, it's pretty hard to use to install an extension plugin into Emacs or Vim. Actually, I think it's impossible, or maybe it's possible. Yeah, probably. I think it's possible. Everything's possible. Yeah, I'm curious about that red button. How's that used? You just move it, and it moves like the mouse, basically. I don't know how he clicks because you cannot click with the red button. But oh, okay. So there's like I think for the click he uses like the not the pad of the laptop, but the buttons because there's like the right and the left button. So he just moves the the mouse with the red dot and clicks with the right click or whatever. Yeah, it's really crazy because when I did the interview back in the day, I shared with the team like the the technical solution, and he was just like he opened it in Vim, and he was like with all the keyboard like moving everything around and changing stuff. And I was like, okay, I'm scared. I use Visual Studio. Please don't kill me. Um, uh, I have tried using Vim. It feels really cool to use, but so integrated into VS Code system, I couldn't transfer. Yeah, once you get into the VS Code world, you just see, um, marshmallows, and you can just see colors and great things. And then you get into Vim, it's like all black, white, like it's all white text. Um, but yeah. Similar to trackpad. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oops, sorry. So I can see there's no more questions here. Um, I was there for your data process session. Are you a data scientist or no, well, I work as a backend engineer. So yeah, we do well, I do some data process. I'm not a data analyst or anything. I just sometimes we need to clean some data and yeah, that's it. But no, I'm not a data scientist or so. Yeah, tomorrow we having another stream about data scrapping. So I think that one will be pretty more cooler, and more practical. So hope to see you there. Uh, yeah, yeah, I'm excited too. To be honest, let's see how it goes. Uh, okay, excited. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I can see there's no more questions. Okay, so we will just close the session here. If you have any question, please put it on the comments. I'll make sure to answer anything you might be wondering. So if not, we'll just leave everything here and hope you the best and hope you having fun and learning some new people, chatting with some people on Discord, making some great teams, working on some great code, and yeah, have fun. Um, Overall, have fun and just meet new people and do cool stuff. So yeah, thank you so much. Sorry for Zane couldn't be here today, but yeah, hope you didn't miss anything. Actually, you will see Zane in the next streams. So yeah, just give him some salute him, and that's it. So yeah, thank you so much for joining, folks. Just go eat something. Well, I don't know, maybe it's kind of early for you or late to eat, but yeah, thank you so much for joining, and see you on the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.